tiny yodel leedle
Well, the muffler, there's no bolts. Bolts are gone. That bolt's there, but it's broken right there. So these bolts, other guys can back you up, they break off way back there, almost on the very, very tiptoes. So what we do to fix this is the front side of this hole, it's not threaded until it's deeper in the head. Unfortunately, the one-time fix you can get away with is we are going to drill and tap these two muffler bolt holes here. We're going to put in a hardened bolt, thread locker. We're not going to go too big, just enough size larger than these factory holes here. And then down here where that castings broke off, I'm going to attempt to drill to the left, a fresh material, and move this bolt hole over to the left slightly, if I have the room. If not, I'll find a different way to anchor this dude, even if it means welding a washer in a different spot to make it work. But that's what we do. So what we're going to do is use these bolts. These are grade 8 bolts, quarter 20 thread. We don't need to go fine thread. Quarter 20 will do the job. Block tight. So I've already got this one side here pre-drilled and tapped. I'm going to drill and tap here. You'll see on the muffler body, we come through here. I'm going to clean this mating surface. We're going to put some sealant here, high temp, and this is what we've got to go through. It's going to look like this. Oversize these holes in the back here just slightly, but there's my depth. I'm going to have about that much biting into the head, so there's no need to drill all the way into this thing. Just go far enough to get your threads in. Here we go. It's also a good time to check your piston too. So before anybody starts commenting about how rough the surface of this head looks here, if I get any comments, I know it's terrible. That is from that muffler rattling around in there, still being used while the bolts are broken. Now that surface, I cleaned it up the best I could, but any sort of imperfections that we're going to have left on there, it's just going to be filled with sealant, and it is what it is. Trying to do what we can to keep it going. Imperfections look bad, and we'll get the job done. See that in there? This looks pretty good. Got these in here with some thread locker. And I've got this offset hole here with a support tab. Also have a star washer behind here to keep this tab from rotating. It's all good to go. It's just through, it's tight. These are in, these are tight. Get it all back together and solve the issue. Just like that, the muffler is fixed.